In today's Chef Hack series, I will show you a few creative and on-trend recipe concepts for your sandwich menu. From banh mi and French baguettes to katsu sandu and New York bagels, what could be the next trend on sandwich menus? At the moment, it's all about the creative wraps or flatbreads with interesting fillings which can be served cold or hot. The first recipe I'm going to show you is so simple yet clever in the way that you can assemble the fillings. Making a slice in the flatbread, you start with some Hellmann's real mayonnaise, then add some chicken, cheese, tomatoes, onions, chorizo, lettuce, folding the flatbread after each filling. I would also recommend adding some Thai sweet chili jam for a bit of a kick if you like. Finish on a grill or in a frying pan for a toasted melted cheese goodness. For the second recipe, a take on pizza kebab, start by spreading some delicious Hellmann's real mayonnaise over the flatbread. Then add some salami, olives, basil, cheese, mushrooms, and a sauce made with Hellmann's real mayonnaise combined with some Knorr Intense Flavors deep smoke. Roll it up and finish on the grill for a hot serve option. So there you go, some interesting sandwich and wrap ideas for your menu.